Hola amigos, vamos a probar este Jumpstart. We're going to try this Jumpstart. It's a 6000 amp, the AVAPOW 6000 amp. I'm going to put a link in the description. As you can see, this is my tow truck. It has a big engine. It's a diesel engine, okay? So look, the batteries is attached. I didn't put the Jumpstart there. Still it's not connected, so you can see here, look, I'm going to try to start it. You see it cannot start, it's there. So I'm going to see if this guy make a crank. So I'm going to do the connection here. I'm going to start the connecting the positive and then the ground over here. It has to be the other cables. This one is not good. Okay, so it has to be this one. This one is for this type of vehicle. Then, okay, see, we are connecting here, and then the positive here, and then we're going to connect the cables. There you go. We're going to try now, okay? I'm not cutting off the there you go. Truck up and running. You see? This is the AVAPOW. It's a 6000 amp AVAPOW Jumpstart. If I cut off the truck now, the truck will not start. Look, I'm cutting it off. See, battery there. We're going to put the jump again. I just connect the back. Now we're going to try again. See, start my truck right away. This is a diesel truck. This is a tow truck. It's not a. It's a big engine. It's a Hino truck with a big engine. Diesel. So thank you for watching. I leave the link in the description. Ahí les dejo el link en la descripción. Este es un Jumpstart de 600 amperios, 6000 amperios, y arranca mi diesel truck a 6.7 y también arranca la Cummins 6.7. Gracias.